In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rapidly pick a profitable niche for your YouTube channel and plan a robust content strategy that will set you up for success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing channel, this step-by-step guide will help streamline your process using AI-powered tools. First, let's dive straight into selecting a niche. You might be wondering how to choose a niche that's both profitable and viable. Instead of spending hours on research, why not leverage the power of ChatGPT? Simply ask ChatGPT to suggest 5 profitable YouTube niches. The key here is to find niches that have high demand but low competition, maximizing your potential audience while minimizing the struggle against established creators. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to map out your content. Planning ahead not only helps you stay organized but also ensures that you consistently upload content, a crucial factor for growing your channel. Use ChatGPT to generate a posting schedule tailored to your niche. For example, if you're running a finance tips channel, you could have a content calendar that spans 4 weeks with 3 videos per week. This consistent posting schedule will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Now, onto scripting and optimizing your videos. Crafting scripts that are engaging and captivating is an art. Ask ChatGPT to write video scripts complete with hooks to grab viewers' attention and calls to action, urging them to like, subscribe, or comment. After creating the initial draft, you can refine it further by prompting ChatGPT to make the script shorter or more energetic, helping you enhance viewer retention. Next, let's focus on the technical side. SEO and titles. Even the best content can get overlooked if it's not properly optimized. Utilize ChatGPT's capability to suggest keyword-rich video titles, tags, and descriptions that will help your videos rank higher in search results. For example, if you're working on a beginner fitness channel, you could ask ChatGPT to provide 10 attention-grabbing titles targeting home workouts. To build a sense of community and boost engagement, think of growth hacks like community posts, comment replies, and intriguing poll ideas. ChatGPT can generate content that encourages interaction and fosters a sense of belonging among your audience, crucial for increasing viewer engagement. Finally, let's talk about monetization strategies. In weeks 1 to 3, your focus should be on organically growing your audience and increasing watch hours. By week 4, you'll be better positioned to start thinking about monetization opportunities. Ask ChatGPT to draft outreach emails for potential sponsorships or create affiliate scripts and digital product pitches that resonate with your audience. There you have it, a foolproof plan to picking your niche, planning content, optimizing for SEO, and growing your channel effectively. By integrating AI tools like ChatGPT into your workflow, not only do you save time, but you also enhance creativity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to implement these insights to take your YouTube channel to new heights.